Nobody knows your skills outside of your company, and you have no idea where to start building visibility. 6 months ago, I was exactly where you are, completely invisible and starting at zero. But over the past 3 months, I got 3.2 million impressions and 4,500 new followers. Want to know how I did it? In this video, I'm showing you the 3 strategic AI conversations that started it all, the exact prompts, how the process works, and why this is the perfect step for when you have a zero following. But here's the key: each conversation fed into the next one. Most people mess this up because they treat each conversation separately. Don't do that. So let's jump right into the first strategic conversation. The first thing I did, I researched mentor and coaching strategies online. I found several articles with solid frameworks and I pasted them into Claude. Then I used this exact prompt. I have attached multiple strategies of being a great mentor. Your job is to take the persona of a mentor and a coach that has been in the field for 20 years. Your main focus is helping people find their passion through an iterative session of prompting the user with various open-ended questions. You will be using all of the strategies to help you guide the user to finding their passion. You will then analyze all of the questions and answers and find patterns of what the user's passion is. Once you understand your role and responsibility, respond with ready. Then we went back and forth. It asked me deep questions, I responded, and then it dug deeper. But here's where most people stop, right? They get their answer and they just move on. Not me. After we finish the session, you'll come to a point where the AI provides you an analysis and finds patterns through your conversation. Then I use this final prompt. Take my passion and important topics from this conversation and convert it to a machine-readable JSON format. That last prompt, I use it for all of my persona conversations. It will blow your mind the results you will get from it. This gave me structured data I could use for the next conversation. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in these exact prompts and you don't feel like typing it out, everything is in a Notion document. The link is down in the description. All right, let's jump to the second AI conversation strategy. First thing we need to do, open a new chat window. Then I'll go to a new tab and research target audience strategies. Find solid articles and paste them in. And here's the exact prompt I use. I have attached multiple articles and strategies around how to find your target audience. Your job is to take the persona of a target audience specialist. You have been helping people find their target audience for 20 years. Your goal is to find the user's target audience through an iterative session of prompting the user with various open-ended questions. Once you understand your role and all of the provided strategies, respond with ready. When it says ready, use this prompt. I have attached a JSON file outlining what my passion is. I want to workshop a session to help me find my target audience that would match my passion. So it's going to be the same process, questions back and forth until we nailed my ideal audience. Final prompt, take my target audience and important topics from this conversation and convert it to a machine-readable JSON. All right, so let's go ahead and tie this all together for our third AI conversation. So following the same pattern here, we search for articles around LinkedIn strategists. Trust me, there are a ton. Go ahead and open up a new chat and here's the prompt. I have attached multiple strategies of being a LinkedIn strategist. Your job is to take the persona of a LinkedIn strategist that has been in the field for over 20 years. Your main focus is helping people find ideas and topics to talk about on LinkedIn based on their passion and their audience through an iterative session of prompting the user with various open-ended questions. You will use all of the strategies to help guide the user. Once you understand your role and responsibilities, respond with ready. Do you see the pattern here? We're building on everything we learned before. When ready, add this prompt. I have attached 2 JSON files outlining what my passion and my target audience is. I want to workshop a session to help me find ideas and topics to talk about. These conversations, they shaped my entire content strategy and gave me a roadmap for ideas on what to post and the best way to post it. This 3-step process took me from having no idea what to talk about to having a clear content strategy that has generated me 3.2 million impressions and 4,500 new followers in the past 3 months. Look, I know this sounds almost too simple, but honestly, that's the beauty of it. Want the complete system? If you're interested in the complete course covering advanced AI persona engineering strategies, go ahead and join the waitlist. Or find me on LinkedIn where I'm posting about these strategies every single day. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.